Okay, I'm at an estate sale today on Sunday. And of course, I don't have my glasses on, but I know it's Heartfelt Antiques.
Yep.
So, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'll look around.
Okay, have fun.
Everything is, not everything. It's about, oh wow, I have one of these.
Don't stand up, hon. I'm right behind you.
Oh, I'm pretty short. Yeah, you're still safe.
All right.
Make sure that's the one.
That's amazing. I have one of these. It's Russian artwork. Wow. What are they? All right, let's see what we can find.
Sorry.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
a busy day. Furniture. Wow, pretty stuff. Oop. Okay. That's cool.
Hey, John.
Yeah, it's just a chimney. That's pretty cool. Kind of like that, even though it's pretty cool. What is this? Oh, look how pretty this is. Oh, have to put that aside. Okay, we're gonna keep looking. All right. Wow, look at these paintings. They look pretty nice. What are they? Wow. Watercolor on paper. Signed and dated 85. 525. Those are pretty cool. I love the colors. Love the colors. Oh, look at this. This is really cool. I don't know. It's not cross stitch. It's needlepoint maybe. I think there's a difference. That's pretty cool. It's not bad. So it'd be 35 today. All right. Ay, ay, ay. 2 floors. 3 floors altogether. Hmm.
No.
This is pretty.
A little more money.
It's pretty. Let's see. Gotta keep the glasses on.
You give me a break and
House spins.
You
That's cool.
got $2, so you got 40.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
Little tile. No price. Huh.
Okay.
There you are. Yeah, it's gotta be the
It's
one.
got to be the
Because
one.
we don't
It's
have,
pretty.
we literally don't have any others.
There was no other one up there, right?
This is
No.
pretty.
Okay. I would drive my car over.
It's
Drive
fine,
your
but
car
that's
over,
really
we'll
pretty.
load it up
Okay,
for
good
you.
enough.
Yep.
Reminds me of that nugget gold. Almost can read it.
Just watch out for this.
Yeah, I know. That's why I wanted to get that lamp out of here first.
That's cool. I don't see prices though.
I wanted to get him loaded.
John, just leave it there.
That's really pretty too. It's very cute. A little ladybug. How much are the small pins?
They vary in price. If you want prices, I can give them to you.
Like the ladybug?
Yeah. If
And
you
the
make like
frog,
a big
maybe?
collection of stuff, we'll give you a price on everything. We'll kind of group it
Okay, I
together.
got a couple things. I don't know where I can make a pile.
What's your name?
Lachelle.
Lachelle? All right, I'll start you a
Cool.
ticket. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you. What is that? Very different. These are cool.
Is that all you're getting? Yeah. Okay. Great.
It's a pretty pen.
What do you mean with key?
So 250.
Marilyn Miglin. Interesting. This is cool. That's cool. That's a reproduction, I think. If I have an original, that is cool though. Put that there. These are
Yeah,
fun.
they paid for it.
For that piece first?
These are
Yeah.
fun. Very
It's the
heavy.
Venmo.
Very heavy.
Okay. How much?
No, it was more than that.
Okay.
It was 60.
Not sure what
We
it
gave them the
says.
price.
Not sure what that says, but we'll put it in a pile. She said to put it in a pile. We'll make a deal. Okay.
Hold on. Let me just look. Yeah, the walnut chest is 1 1/4. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Pete. The keys are.
All right.
There's some cool ones right here.
There's a white envelope down there on the floor, Lynn. Can you
These are cool.
please?
I gotta take that cover off.
Oh, Pat, would you mind looking scratching that?
Yeah.
Out?
We're just getting them the key for that, and then.
All right, so this is $30.
You can't take this now, bring it right
That's it,
back.
yeah,
We
both
just
of
put it
those.
right up the street, 78.
Alright,
40.
that's a cool pen. Little
Yeah,
umbrella.
you're smiling, hey, business is good, eh?
Alright,
Thank you.
what else
Thanks
do
for
we have
coming.
here? These are cool.
All set?
Okay, we're gonna have her put those aside for me. Okay. I'm gonna give you these as well.
Yeah, this one, he's afraid this is the wrong lamp for his wife, but
That's
there's
an
no
oil.
other lamps like this.
Get this oil.
No, not that one.
What's this?
Okay, then that must be it, yeah.
That's not it. There were two
$200,
keys
that's
attached on it.
beautiful.
Oh,
Did it work?
oh,
Only
you're
one key
talking-
went to it.
okay.
That one-
You wanna carry this out?
The lamps are amazing.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna hand you this pile,
Oh,
Lindsay.
sure, yeah.
I'll have to remember
Oh,
your
sorry,
name.
can you give me your name once more?
Lachelle.
Lachelle. Okay, let me start a checklist.
You were
for
married to Carla Battery's
Brother, Mark.
Yep,
Yes.
I thought I.
And we have 2 children.
Yep,
Yep.
yep.
And I'm divorced and he's remarried.
Yeah, yep,
Yeah. Life is good.
yeah.
He caught that.
I get it.
No, I like his wife.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Yep, she's good to my kids, so I'm happy.
That's most.
That's all that matters.
Yep.
Wow, look at this. That's gorgeous. That's beautiful. Wow. Can't read a lot of these. What does that say?
Hey, but his wife.
Oh,
That come earlier.
can't read it.
What did, what else?
This is really pretty.
They bought the
Need to see
walnut
it
strawberry
light.
box.
I need light. Okay. I still can't read it. Isn't that crazy? Ivana.
Thanks,
Hmm.
Guys get beat, Pat.
What's that?
6-0.
Oh.
On most items. So you kind of got to check with them. Wow.
Very pretty, huh?
Yes, I like this. I gotta look it up. I'm gonna look it up.